Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2019 Buick Envision all-wheel drive Premium. This is a really nice SUV actually. This is the first Buick I've ever driven, and what a way to start out. Quick walk around, kind of check out the outside of it. Great back seat. Check out the window sticker. So this one has the 2.0 liter turbo, 4-cylinder, 9-speed automatic, chili red metallic on light neutral ebony. Total for this one's 44,080. That's actually really good for what we get here. It's a really good looking SUV. Here's the key again. Really nice. It has good weight to it. It feels great. Oh, this interior is beautiful. This is the ebony here. Really nice. Feels great to the touch. Nice analog clock. Panoramic sunroof. As you can hear, it's nice and quiet. Not a lot of road noise or anything like that. Casual car spotting. Feels great on the highway. No complaints at all. This is a really nice vehicle to drive. It's comfortable. It's luxurious. I cannot complain at all. I really like this thing. This is awesome. I expected it to be closer to 50 to 60, not 44. That's a pretty good bargain for this thing. You also have radar cruise control, of course. As of right now, you get a small green car icon in the center display to let you know that the vehicle recognizes that there's a vehicle up ahead of you. So that will let you know if you're following too closely based on the distance you set in the settings. Pretty cool idea. This powertrain is excellent. I have no complaints on that aspect. Plenty of power, plenty of torque. This is perfect for this vehicle. Overall, this is an excellent vehicle. Very, very luxurious, very nice to drive. It's a really, really, really well done Buick. Really, really nice. So thank you for watching, guys. Please stay tuned for future content. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.